Welcome to the Art of Marx Trains, part 28. And today we are talking about the 6-inch Marx Sinclair tank car. And I remember driving across Wyoming in the 70s and 80s and seeing tank cars after tank cars, and they were all black. And see Sinclair gas stations, they had the dinosaur. Sinclair has been around since 1916. They had a life-size dinosaur model at the Century of Progress in Chicago in 1933-34. And there are a lot of Sinclair gas stations out there even today. And the black tank car is certainly the most common, and the green one's a little harder to find. They both have the same number, 19847, and for all practical purposes they're the same, although you find some with tab and slot couplers like this one. This has the sliding tab and slot coupler for wind-up sets and plastic wheels and the square end frame. Then you've got the plastic knuckle coupler. This one has metal wheels. Some had plastic wheels. And the green ones, this one has metal wheels, sliding tab and slot couplers. Essentially the same. And sometimes they came with handrails. I'd say most of the time they came with handrails, but sometimes they didn't, like this green one back here and this black one up here. So we're going to pull this with a plastic 400, and stay tuned. We're going to run a black tank car train around the track. Here's an interesting black tank car that somebody made. They put the tank on top of a 8-wheel 6-inch frame. I think it looks really good. Well, as always, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another edition of The Art of Marx Trains.